Welcome to SMF Street, stockmarketfunding.com. What we're going to do is we're going to buy 250 shares here of RIMM with an upside guidance report, and we're also going to buy another 250 on any pullback. Since they guided the revenues up, I don't have any risk on the conference call. So I'm going to look at how I scale the rest of this trade for another gap. The short sellers are going to get taken out of the name. And I'm a buyer on the pullbacks. This is the after hours chart. I'm going to go and get the actual earnings report and read them to people now, to the SMF Street traders. Research in motion, SMF Street beat by 11 pennies. And here's what they did. So basically, the key metric is this 4.62 billion versus that 4.7 billion consensus. And that's huge. Now, let's take a look at their margins at 44.5 versus 43.9 and 44%. That's important to know right in here. Q2 unit shipped 12.1 million versus 11.6 to 12.1 million guidance. So basically they came in with it 11.8 million. So the thing that we want to look at right here, gross margins of 42% versus 42.6%. That's the consensus. So basically what that really means is they're doing good, and the report is good, and we own it. So we have this right here, that Q3 right there. Look at that. See? Upside guidance for Q3. See, EPS is $1.62 to $1.70 versus $1.39. That's perfect for the bulls. They're looking for a bull tech rally. It's on. And that's why we said to people, look, you know, when was it priced in? We have it on the live videos. We just bought some shares. We didn't buy a lot, just to show you on the up move when we found out that those guidances were up like that. And we're going to hold them, and we're going to get a tech rally, because the next one we're going to do is Oracle beat its earnings. And basically, both one in the software, this one here in the smartphone, you're going to get a good tech rally and a good gap up in the morning. And this is what the bulls were needed, some kind of bellwether that was able to fare through the slower environment. So they feel that they've got a great control on their product line. One thing I don't know yet, SMF Street, we will have to have our meeting after the tape, and I'm going to have to find out about the U.S. sales that came in, North America, and what the sales counts are, so that we can have a discussion about that off the video. Here we are again. We're going to conclude the tape on RIMM on a bull technology tape for tomorrow morning. What I am going to do is put in here and do a special bull. This is why we bought those bull 3x bull funds that we told you about on our website, because we did purchase them on 8/29 of 2010. So therefore, we'll do a special on a bull rally. And RIMM is providing that, and so will Oracle for tomorrow morning. And then we'll go ahead and sell our 250 shares, and we'll buy some more and take profits again. So this is RIMM in after hours, and we're going to conclude the tape on RIMM. And we will buy some more just like we did on any pullbacks. They've given the upside guidances. They've done everything. Enjoy the trade. We got the $50 calls up and out of the money. They'll get a premium evaluation. They close at 46.49 on the tape here. Those calls will gap up in the morning. Good job, SMF Street traders.